Hi. Mr. Hakem here. We're going to talk about activity 48 and 49. These are charts. Okay, so Word has come just leaps and bounds when it comes to charts. And they used to be really difficult, really annoying to work with, but now, guys, they can really jazz up your document or whatever you're using with some charts. Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and tell you the ins and outs of every little single thing you can do with charts because this would be a very long screencast. So I'm just going to show you real quick just how to insert a chart, and then you guys in activity 48 are going to have to kind of learn on your own how to do what I'm asking. Okay, so look, you just go to insert chart, pretty simple, and then all the different kind of charts you want. All right, for our example, let's just pick a 3D column chart. Okay, so now what's going to happen is Microsoft Excel is going to open up because that's where we have to put our data. It's pretty cool because look, Excel just popped open. Now we change our data here, and then you just X out and then automatically go to Word. You don't have to save or do anything. Okay, so this is what you're going to have to figure out. You're going to alter all this and you're going to see what happens in order to get it. Okay, so I'm just going to say beach ball. How about a kite? How about a turkey? How about a mug? Okay, and then series 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens. I'm going to X out, and this is what I get. Okay, so see, this is what I just altered. And then if you want to change this, all you have to do is just go back and edit data in Excel. And I'm going to say, okay, what do I want to say here? Stapler, tape, and calculator. Okay, so I just edited that, X out of this, and look. Okay, so all right. So now you kind of know what's going to be where, and then you can alter your data from there. All right. So obviously you can change your chart title here, and this is very useful as the quick layout. So this can give you different layouts. Let's say if I asked you to show your X and Y axis, here's your axis title. You lost your chart title though. So you could do this one. Look, I got a chart title and I have my axis, but it makes it look different. Alright, so many different things you can do here, and you can change the colors, you can display the actual values, do the down drop here. All these are different styles. They come a long way. Change the colors too. You can really have fun with making your chart look different colors, okay? And you can individually click on things and you can change it, okay? So if you click on individual things, you can just change that column, okay? If you're like, oh, I'm not feeling this kind of chart, you could do the chart type, change the chart type and go to pie and maybe here, but it won't work, okay, because of the data we have. All right, so that's the charts. Kind of have to figure these out, just a little trial and error on your own. Okay, now the next one, you're just gonna be doing some smart art, okay, and these are really cool because look at them, they're pretty creative, and just you can come up with a lot of different information to put in these things. Okay, so for the one, you're going to want the hierarchy, and which one do you need to choose? This one, because you need to have the people's title on it. I'm just going to delete this bad guy, and then insert smart art, and then the hierarchy, and you want this one because you want people's title on it. All right, so I highly recommend you using this to add people in our school district, like their jobs and their titles, instead of dragging people. This can really get confusing when you start dragging people like that. So I'd highly recommend utilizing these different things. Okay, all right, this is our last Word activity. Moving on to Excel after this. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.